Conversation test, ill test 7.
Do you like to cook?
Not really, no. Most of the time I eat ready meals and takeaway. That's one of the reason I love visiting my mom. You can always guarantee lovely home cooked food.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
We have our main meal at around 7. I'm usually starving hungry by then. In fact, I often grab a bit to eat as soon as I get home from college. A sandwich, perhaps, but not too much to spoil my appetite.
Are there any types of food you don't like?
No, not really. I'm not a fussy eater at all. Actually, I eat like a horse. I do a lot of sport and work up with an appetite.
How can we encourage people to eat more healthy?
I think the best approach is to have everything in moderation. Processed food won't kill you if you only eat it occasionally, but people should also be encouraged to eat a balanced diet. Try to cook fresh ingredients at home a few times.
Do you think people enjoy their food as much as they should?
I don't know really. I suppose it's true that people will often eat a quick snack because they are bored, not because they are dying of hunger. And often they just boil it down and don't savor it. So yes, perhaps we could take more time over our food.
Do you think cooking is a pleasure or a chore for people who have busy life?
Well, whether you follow a recipe, make something up as you go along. Think cooking is very creative process, and cooking for other people is a particular pleasure. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing people you love taking into something you've cooked it yourself. Thank you.